Okay, today we're going to check out section 4.4, evaluating logarithms and the change of base theorem. So, we start off with two sayings. The common logarithm, which is log base 10, which we can write like this. Right, like this. The other one we deal with regularly is the natural log, signified by ln of x, which is the log base e of x. Now, if you have the scientific calculator, you can use it to estimate log base 10 or common logarithms and natural logarithms. Depending on your calculator, it's done differently. So we have some fundamental properties. Some of these we've seen. So we start with the log base b of b equals 1. The log base b of 1 equals 0. We saw that last section. Log base b of b to the x is x. And remember, this is simply x times the log base b of b, which is 1. Likewise, b to the log base b of x is also x. So let's look at some of these. So log base 5 of 25. Well, 25, 5 is 5 squared. We have log base b of b to the x, where x is 2. So this is simply 2. Okay, likewise, log base 7, and this is 7 to the third. This is simply 3. Okay, looking at this, I have the log base 2 of 1 over 2 to the negative 4th, or 1 over 2 to the 4th, which is log base 2 of 2 to the negative 4th, which is negative 4. Here, I have, it's a natural log, so this is a log base e of e to the 7th, so it's simply 7. Here I have log base 4 of 1. 4 to what power gives me 1? 0. Here I have log base 5 of the square root of 5 cubed, which is the log base 5 of 5 to the 3 halves, which is 3 halves. All right, now I have the natural log of 1 over the cube root of e, the natural log of e to the negative 1/3, which is negative 1/3. Okay, using your calculator, evaluate each logarithm expression using the calculator, round to 4 decimal places. So there should be a button on your calculator that says LOG. All you have to do is hit that LOG button, 4, 5, 6, enter. And you should get 2.65896, which rounds up to 90. I think this is a typo again. Now we have the natural log of 10 again. Should be an LN button on there. Natural log of 10, I get 2.302 round up to 6. Here we have a log of a decimal. Again, just hit your LOG button, 0.0856, enter, and I get negative 1.0675 rounded to. I'm wondering if this wants me to do the log. I don't think so. I mean, you could technically do it. Log is 0.0125, and I get negative 4.3820. Just out of curiosity, let me try this. The log of 0.0125. Yeah, it gives you an error because you're taking a log of a negative and you can't add that. So logarithms could be easy if everything's a natural log or a log base 10, but they rarely are. So we have what we call the change of base formula. So if we have the log base a of x, it is equal to the log of whatever base you want. I recommend using common logs, which is what they've used here. So the log base a of x is the log of x over the log of a. So the log base 7 of 215 is the common log of 215 divided by the common log of 7. Now, you hit your log button. Calculator will do this, and I'll open a parenthesis. Key in your 215. Don't forget to close the parentheses. Then hit divided by, hit your log again. It'll open a parentheses 7, close them and enter. And you should get 2.75, actually rounds up to 2.600. So make sure, it's very important you close that parentheses. Otherwise, you're taking the log of 215 divided by the log of 7, which is not what you want. Same thing here, same process. Log of 4 over the log of 1/3. Now again, hit your log button or close your parentheses. Divided by log button. Now, I know what you're going to say, 1/3, 0.3333, whatever. No, estimate. Let's not use estimates. Let's go 1 divided by 3, close parentheses. So I have the log of 4, close parentheses, divided by a log of 1 divided by 3, close parentheses, enter. And I get negative 1.2619 rounded to 4 decimal places. This can get a little tricky. Practice it, make sure you have it down. If you have questions, do ask. I'm happy to work with you during the online office hours or hours more convenient to you. Summer semester, I don't have a lot going on, so I'm available more often in the evenings if you need help. Main thing is don't be afraid to ask for help if you can't figure out something. And that, I believe, is it for this section. Have a good day, and I shall see you next time.